Hello everyone, we are doing question 9 from 150 interview question series. What we have to do in this question is, given an array nums, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements given in this array. We have to tell that from 0th index can we reach the last index or not. So how we will check? Every ith index we have been given the maximum jump length. Like from index 0 I can jump 2 indexes. From 1 index I can jump 3 indexes. So if it is written that maximum 2 numbers you can jump, it is your choice. You can jump once also, you can jump twice also. So there can be lots of possibilities for every single element here. Like for example, at when I am at first index, I am jumping only once, and then at first index I can jump 3 indexes in one go, so I can jump and go here directly. So this is my choice. Even at top this index I can maybe jump only once, right? And again here second index I can jump one time, I will go here, and then here also I can go jump one time and I will reach the fourth index. So there are many possibilities. Maximum jump length is given. If it is 2, we can make a jump of 1 also, 2 also. 3 it is there, 1, 2, 3 length jump we can make. So there are many possibilities that can be there. We just have to tell that whether possibility is there or not. For example, in this question, if you see 3, 0, 1, 3 to 1, 0, 4. So what is happening in this possibility is, if you are jumping from first index 3 times, so you are going here and here it is 0, you cannot jump any more ahead. So let's say I assume that okay, I'm not taking 3 jumps here, I'm taking only 1 jump, right? So then at first index also I can jump twice only. So I will again go to 0, and from 0 I cannot go ahead, right? Even if I'm taking 1 jump and again here it is only 1 jump I can make, I will end up on 0, and after that I cannot go ahead. So that means in this my output will be false, that I cannot reach the last point. So the brute force approach for this question can be the recursive solution that I told you. That for example, the function which we are making is can jump, like can jump or not jump. So if we are on 0th index, total indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if I am on 0th index, at this point of time I can jump 2 steps ahead, right? So maybe I can go, there are 2 possibilities. I can go 1, 4, that means I am jumping 1 step, and then I am jumping 2 steps, right? Then again from first index I have again 3 possibilities, right? There is the possibility of 2, 4, there is a possibility of 3, 4, that means I am jumping 2 steps, and then I am jumping all 3 steps 4, 4. Once this jumps that we are making is equal to n, then we are returning true. So this recursion we can make. So if can jump 4, 4 is returning true, here it will be true, here it will be true, my answer will be true. So this way also we can make recursion calls, but this will take time complexity of order of 2 raised to power n. Why? Because at every point there are many possibilities. Like here also, if we go to index 2, then it can jump only once. So I will go to can jump 3, 4, and then 3, 4 also it can jump one time, but it is very much dependent on the question. Let's say there is some example where there are more elements like 5, 6, 7, so it will be 6, 7 possibilities, lots of time complexity. So this approach is not a good approach to go with. There is one more approach I'm going to tell you. So this is a better approach where what we are doing is we are maintaining the count of farthest jump that we can make. For example, in the beginning the farthest jump you can make is 0. But if you are going at ith index, which means you are starting from 0th index, what is the farthest jump that you can make here? We will count the farthest jump as maximum of the current farthest that we have and the index where you are plus the value present at that index, because when you are jumping, like if you're jumping from first index 3 steps, so you are reaching 4, right? So you are adding these two things and then you are going to know where you are landing. So right now we are finding maximum of 0 comma I, that is 0 plus nums of I 2. So farthest jump value will be 2. So from 0th index you can jump 2 steps ahead, right? And what we are saying is, if at any point of time ith value is greater than farthest, you will simply say return false. Why? Because for example you are present at index 3 and farthest value is 2. So that means you cannot reach 3 index now. So farthest value is the value where you can jump and reach. The maximum value that you can reach is farthest. Okay, let's see. Go to next I index. So I index is 1 right now. So farthest will be maximum of 2 comma 1 plus 3, which is 4. So farthest value is 4. So that means the maximum jump you can make from this point to the last point is at the index 4. Once you reach the last index, you will simply return true. That means you can jump from 0th to 4th index, right? Why will you do things again? Okay, so let's take one more example of the other equation that we have, this one. So what will happen here is the value of farthest in the beginning will be 0, but then here it will be 0 plus 3, which is 3, and then here it will be I plus nums of I will be 3, which is not greater than the actual value, so let it be. Then 1 plus 2 will be again 3, which is okay. But when you will come here, right, the farthest value will be 0 plus 3. So what we are saying is it is still 3, and when you are going to I value, that is 4. So now I value is 4 and farthest value is 3. That means you cannot reach to this point. Getting my point? So whenever I value is greater than the farthest, you will return false. So farthest here symbolizes the maximum index you can reach. So if that is lesser than the current index, that means simply your code is cannot return the true value. So you will run I loop where you will check if I is greater than farthest. That means you cannot reach that particular index, simply return false. Then check the farthest value again. It will be maximum of current farthest and value of I plus nums of I. If farthest is greater than the length of array, return true. That means greater than equal to length of the array minus 1. That means you have reached the last index. If you have reached last index, that means your code is successful. No need to worry. You can return true value. Now, this code you can check from LeetCode here. I will put this py file in my GitHub account also. Subscribe to my channel so that I can make more such video. Thanks a lot. I hope you have understood. If not understood, go through the video again. Thank you.